petroleum products really cheap here in the Gulf countries? Come with me and let's find out. Today guys, Junjun has now 50,046 kilometers. It's time for its 50,000 kilometer change oil. So that's what we're doing today. If you would go to the dealer, you'd spend around a minimum of 340 Qatari riyals for a change oil. So what I do is, like, I buy the Honda products oil and then the filter and go to a garage, so it would be cheaper. Hi guys. So we've got our oil right here and then our filter. Now what we just need to do is go to a local garage and have the oil change, and I've only spent 100 riyal. The engine oil costs me 80 riyals, the filter costs 20. So now we're heading to a local garage. What's also nice is that they have a lounge for customers. So, like, while waiting, you can have coffee, and there's a bathroom, and you can hang around. There is even a free Wi-Fi and a TV. Let's just sit around and wait. It's now Junjun's turn. Almost done. They are just filling up the oil. One of the mechanics here in the garage. Say hi, bye.
What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty goodness. Sing it now. What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty, yeah.
So we are done, and the labor charge is only like 35 riyals.
What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty goodness.
35 bucks. That is our vlog for today. So So I've spent 100 reals on the consumables, the oil and the filter, and then labor charge was 35 reals. So to sum it up, I spent 135 Qatari reals. So if you convert it into peso, I spent 1,842. I spent $36 on my change oil. Guys, how much do you spend on your change oil? Comment at the link below. So that's our vlog for today. Our oil products cheaper in the Gulf country. So bye for now. See you on the following vlogs. Peace out.